Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing a look inspired by the new Crow movie. I think this is an interesting makeup look. It kind of reminds me of the older Joker and the newer Joker, as well as even the newer version of It. I think it's a very interesting look, and I'm excited to try it out today. For this look, I'm using the Mayron black face paint, and I'm putting this over the eyes. Do be careful that this does not drip into your eyes when using this. And we're putting this on in sort of a haphazard way. And here we're kind of creating a clown Joker-like shape, sort of a triangle, but it looks sort of like it's messed up over time or being messed up due to either crying or water. So we're going to be sort of messing up the edges of this, but trying to keep the triangles at the top for the shape. And here I'm adding water to sort of mess up the edges. Now going underneath the eyes, it's also sort of a triangle shape, but sort of messed up by the crying tear lines. But we're going to start out with the triangle. Once we have that shape, I'm again messing it up with some water. And next we're creating the tears. For these long ones that sort of connect to the mouth, I'm sort of tilting my head in the direction I want the tear to go, trying as best as possible to have it connect to the outer corners of my lips. Having to tilt my head pretty far to achieve this. Then some of these other tears sort of connect to the larger smile lines, so that's what I'm doing here. And then for the rest of the tears, I just try to put them in the same placement as he has on his. But I think it probably changes over time due to exposure to water and possibly crying. His look might not always look the same. Some of the tears on the bottom are rather thin, so I'm kind of erasing some of it with the makeup remover. And that completes this Crow-inspired makeup look. I think it's interesting how the tears sort of connect with the smile line to create sort of a menacing, scary look. And I really like how this look turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.